Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's maths lesson, Thursday, the 11th of February. Today's lesson is all about problem solving using our knowledge of 2s, 3s, 5s, and 10s times tables. Now then, what we've got to be really good at, we've got to be able to read the problem and work out what is it asking us to do. So this one says, quite often I've put a picture with it to try and help us. So word problems. So there are 8 cakes in a pack. Mrs. Smith buys 2 packs. How many cakes does she buy altogether? So you can see that there are 8 cakes there. So that helps you to get that in your head. Now we know Mrs. Smith buys 2. So it would be 8 add 8, wouldn't it? We'd have to use our knowledge of double 8 or 2 times 8. So yeah, I know double 8 is 16. If I didn't, I definitely know double 5 is 10. Double 6 is 12. Double 7 is 14. So double 8 would be 16. So try and use your knowledge of what you know to help you with these. Now then, how much money does Ron have? Let's complete the multiplication. Okay, so we have to count up how many 5p's he has. Now, I don't have to count because I can see that there's 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. So it would be 10 times 5 equals, I know 10 times 5 because I know 5 times 10. So that would be 50. But if I wasn't sure I could count, I could go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 10 times 5 equals 50. And I know Ron has 50p. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Now then, this one says Teddy has £8. So we know he's got £8. Rosie has twice as much money as Teddy. How much money does Rosie have? Now I need to know twice as much. What does twice as much mean? Twice as much means double. So Rosie has double the amount. It's 8 add 8 again. So Rosie would have £16. That's correct. Now then, I've slotted this one in again. We tried this. Some of you might have seen this one earlier. Eva is 7 years old. Her gran is 10 times older. How old is Eva's gran? Now then, 7 years old. So it would be 10 times 7. 10 times older. 10 lots of 7. Or we could say 7 lots of 10. I know 7 lots of 10. It's 70. So we can do that, can't we? Now then, Sita puts 10 balls in each bag. So there's a bag and she puts 10 bags in total. So how many balls would there? So you've got to imagine that there's 10 bags of them with 10 in each. What would that calculation be? It wouldn't be 10 add 10, would it? Because we have to have 10 bags with 10 in each. So it would be 10 times 10. Oh, we know 10 times 10 is yeah, that's right. And we could actually count on our fingers, couldn't we? Because we've got 10 lots of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Just to double check. So that would be good, wouldn't it? Now then, let's have a look at this one. A classroom has 6 tables. And each table has 5 children sitting at it. I wonder what the number sentence, it says complete the number sentence to show how many children there are. So we've got 6 of them tables with 5. So it would be 6 times 5, wouldn't it? Equals 6 5s. Oh, can I count in 5s? Use my fingers if I need. 5, 10, 15, 20, 23. So it would be 30. There would be 30 children altogether, wouldn't there? Now then, Some of us might have seen this one before, but this is what we call a two-step problem. So this might challenge some of us. But quite easy amounts, because it says a sandwich costs £2 and a box of crayon costs £5. Jack buys 5 sandwiches and 3 boxes of crayons. So what are 5 2s? That's easy. 5 times 2 is 10. That's right. So we have to keep that 10 in our head. And we buy 3 of them boxes and they're £5. So 3 times 5. 5, 10, 15. Oh, 15. So 15 add 10. That would be 25. So I would just spend £25. See, not a difficult two-step, because we've got to find out what's the total price for the sandwiches, what's the total price of crayons, and add them together. Now then, Mrs. Tarry has produced a sheet that is on tapestry of word problems for you to download on a sheet. There's 6 problems. See if you can have a go at reading them and solving them, and then have a go at sending me them. If you are amazing, you could maybe create your own word problem, and that would be even more amazing, and send me that. Okay, happy learning, everybody.